This video will help you understand the idea of a place value chart, tens and ones in our number system. First, let's understand the meaning of the word place. A place is where something is. So on this map, I have put capital U, capital S to show where the United States is on this map. That's a place. The value of something is how much it is worth. So these 6 stuffed animals might all have the same worth if you like them all equally well. So if I asked you, how much would you charge for me to buy the sheep? You might say, the sheep is worth $1. And maybe all the animals except the brown bear are worth $1. But the bear is very special, and it is worth $10. So the value of 5 animals is $1, but the value of the brown bear is $10. Now we can use a chart to show where things belong and what they are worth. So this is a place value chart. And at the top, the location or the place where the numbers go, they have names, the tens place and the ones place. So you would put the animals in the place where they belong according to how much they are worth. That brown bear is worth $10, so we put him in the tens place. The other 5 animals are worth $1 each, so we will put them in the ones place. The place value chart is a way that we can show the worth of each number. So for example, instead of stuffed animals, if we use the yellow cubes, we can put 10 yellow cubes in the ones place, and each cube has a value of 1. We can put a 10 stick in the tens place, and each 10 stick has a value of 10. In this picture, you can see that 10 ones equal 1 10 stick. I've added some words at the bottom of the page. 110 equals 10 ones. Let's quickly go through some numbers to see how they look on the place value chart. This chart shows 0 ones and 0 tens. So we write the number as 0, the red number at the bottom, 0. This chart shows 1 1 and 0 tens. So we write the number as 1, the red one at the bottom of the page. This chart shows 2 ones and 0 tens. So we write the number as 2, the red number at the bottom of the page. This is how we show the number 3, 3 ones, and we write the number 3 like the red 3 at the bottom of the page. This is how we show 4 ones, 4 yellow cubes and the red number 4 at the bottom of the page. This chart shows the number 5 yellow cubes, and the number 5 in red. This is how we show the number 6 yellow cubes, and the number 6 written in red. And this chart shows the number 7. This chart shows the number 8. It's very easy to show 8 yellow cubes, and the number 8 in red. This place value chart shows 9 cubes in the ones place that have a value of 9. And this place value chart shows 10 ones in the ones place and the number 10 at the bottom of the page. But oh wait, when we get to the number 10, we need to learn a place value rule. You are allowed to put only one digit in each place value. So in the ones place, you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yellow cubes, and you can write any number between 0 and 9. And the same thing for the tens place. You can put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10 sticks in the tens place. And you can put one digit in the tens place. Again, you can put only one digit in each place value. So look at the ones place. You can put a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the ones place. And in the tens place, you can put a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the tens place. So what do we do if we have 10 ones? Let's go back to our yellow cubes. We had 9 cubes in the ones place, and that equaled the number 9. But when we put the 10th cube in the ones place, now we have 10. But we cannot write 10 in the ones place because 10 has 2 digits in it, a 1 and a 0. So what shall we do? Well, let's move all 10 cubes into the tens place. That was a great idea. We moved 10 yellow cubes from the ones place to the tens place. We put them together as one stick in the tens place. So we only have one stick. And we have no cubes in the ones place. We have 1 10 stick and 0 cubes. So let's connect the place value rule to a problem here. How do we show 7? We put 7 yellow cubes in the ones place. Now remember, the title ones tells us the place, and the 7 yellow cubes tells us the value. So we have 7 cubes in the ones place, and they have a value of 7. And we write this number as 7. Look at the red 7. Everything is the same in the ones place, but now look at the tens place. We put 1 10 stick in the tens place. So in the tens place, we have 1 stick that has a value of 10. So look at the bottom of the page. 1 10 and 7 ones gives us the number 17. When we put the number 17 in a place value chart, we put the 7 ones in the ones place, and we put the 1 10 in the tens place. Look at how we show the number 27 in the place value chart. We put 2 10 sticks in the tens place. 10 plus 10, that gives us a value of 20. 2 tens equals 20. And we put the 7 ones in the ones place. So 2 tens plus 7 ones gives us 27. Look what's going on the place value chart when we write the number 77. We can show 7 10 sticks in the tens place. That has the value of 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And we put the 7 ones in the ones place. 7 tens, which equals 70, plus 7 ones equals 77. As our last example, let's look at the number 97. 7 ones and 9 tens. So you would put 7 yellow cubes in the ones place to show 7 ones, and you would put 9 10 sticks in the tens place. 9 10 sticks are 9 10 sticks are worth 90, and 7 ones are worth 7. So 90 plus 7 equals 97. And notice that we follow the place value chart rule. We have 1 digit in each place value. We have a 9 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. In summary, remember the meaning of the words place value, and you will be able to put your numbers in the correct place on the place value chart. So place answers the question where, the ones place or the tens place, and value tells you how much. How much is something that sits in the ones place? Well, it's worth 1. How much is something that sits in the tens place? Well, it's worth 10. So I hope that helps you understand how to work your way around the place value chart.